Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Beta, I hope you are clear with part B, and let's move on to part C. Question number 1. How did the woman know the narrator? Why did she want to meet him? See, the woman used to read books. Okay, so the woman knew the narrator as she had read a book of him and appreciated it a lot. Okay, she also wanted to meet him because she was passing through Paris and wanted to have a chat with him. Okay, what impression did the narrator gather of the woman when he met her? See, when they went to meet at Foyt's, the narrator expected to her to be young, but on the contrary, she was not so young as he had expected. Her personality was imposing rather than attractive. He thought the woman would be attractive, but she was imposing. She was a woman of 40 and very talkative. He expected to be a girl of around 20s or 30s, but she turned out to be a woman of 40 and he found her very talkative as well. Talkative hota beta batuni. Let's move on to question number 3. Why was the narrator panic stricken while they were waiting for the asparagus to be cooked? Panic stricken होता बेटा क्यों वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान था जब एस्पैरागस कुक हो रहे थे तो क्यों वो परेशान था? The narrator was panic stricken during the wait for the asparagus because he was only thinking about the bill. As he had only a small amount of money in his pocket and the Foyt's was very costly restaurant, he was not sure whether he had enough to pay the bill as the lady had ordered so many dishes. He was also planning how he would manage in case of shortage of money. He was thinking about the plans. Okay, that's why he was panic stricken during the wait for the asparagus. Why did the narrator order coffee for himself also? See, when he came to know that he would not be left with any money and he would not be able to enjoy coffee for the whole coming month. That's why he was past caring then, and so he ordered coffee for himself. Okay, as he knew that he would not be able to enjoy coffee for the whole month, therefore he should relish का मतलब होता है बेटा enjoy करना ही. He should relish the coffee at that time. Okay. What is the waiter's contribution in allowing the woman to have a gorgeous meal? Whenever we go to a restaurant, beta, the waiter of course come to us to get orders. Okay, so as waiters are supposed to do their duty by asking for things again and again. Okay, the waiter came again and again to woman to get further orders, and the woman also ordered one after the other expensive dishes to continue in her conversation, ताकि वो क्या कर सके, नरेटर से बात भी करती रहे and she could enjoy all the dishes. To continue in the conversation with the writer. The waiter did his duty by heart. उसने पूरे दिल से अपनी ड्यूटी दी and served them all the ordered dishes such as salmon, asparagus and off-season peaches. Thus, he made the lunch gorgeous for the woman. Okay. Now, these are the answers of jumbled words. One of friends, a best good art is book. Okay, beta, you are supposed to see how to make these jumbled words into a meaningful sentence. A good book is one of our best friends. Okay, the same and it is change, will never, today, that, it always. We are talking about present first. It is the same today that it always was and it will never change. We are talking about first present, then past, then future. Others answer also acceptable, but you have to send me first, and then after I'm discussing the answers, you can write these answers in your notebook for record. Most patient companion, cheerful of it is the most patient and cheerful companions. Okay, turn its in times it does of adversity back upon or distress not us. It does not turn its back upon us. ओके, इन टाइम्स ऑफ एडवर्सिटी होता है बेटा बुरा समय, और डिस्ट्रेस जब आप उदास होते हो तब. Progressive Delhi a town is, it is quite easy. Delhi is a progressive town कि वो develop कर रहा है. Big business is its center and educational. It is a big business and educational center. We're talking about big cities these days. There is scarcity of houses and thousands people live in neighboring cities. Okay. Beta, I forgot to put questions over here. You might be having the questions in your previous class documents. Okay, note down from there. There is scarcity होता बेटा, shortage of houses and thousands of people live in the neighboring cities. आसपास वाली जगह पे रहना पड़ता है उनको. There are parks and gardens which may be said to be the lungs of this populous city. कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे पार्क्स में गार्डन में है बहुत सारे हैं जो कि कहा जाता है कि इस शहर भरी भीड़ भाड़ी जगह के लंग्स का काम करती है, उनको ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करती है. I hope you are clear with this. I am sending you more jumbled words for practice in documents. Please go to them, and you are supposed to write all the answers in your fair notebook and send me. Please try HOTS, life skills, values and diary entry of the above chapter number 6.